Did you know that people love watching animal videos on YouTube and Instagram? Some channels have millions of views and followers. You can do the same without even making your own videos. You can use videos from Chinese apps, add your own humor and style, and upload them to YouTube and Instagram. You can earn money from ads and affiliate marketing. Don't worry about copyright issues, because YouTube and Instagram are banned in China, so your videos probably won't get flagged for copyright. Plus, by adding your own unique touch, you'll make these videos your own creations. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to get these cute animal videos from Chinese apps and make them your own using AI. I'll also show you how you can make thousands of dollars by promoting affiliate links from Amazon and ClickBank to sell pet food and accessories. It's easier than you think, so hit that like and subscribe button, grab a drink, and let's get into the details. Step 1. Find cute animal videos. There are popular Chinese apps like Douyin, the Chinese version of TikTok, and Kuaishou that have lots of animal content. We'll use the Kuaishou Go to kuaishou.com. After sign up, you will see this interface now in the search bar, type animals, and you will see a lot of animal videos here. If it doesn't work in your region, use a VPN to use the site. Now, select the popular videos among them, which has above 50K views. Step 2. Download the video. To download a video, click the share button and copy the link. Open your browser and search tqa.cc. After selecting the Kuaishou, paste the video link and click parse, then choose download. When the video opens, click on the save button to download the video on your device. Step 3. Edit the video. Now let's edit our video and add our humor and originality. Start by getting a funny caption for the video. We'll use ChatGPT to come up with humorous captions. Describe the scenes in your video to ChatGPT and ask for short, funny captions. For example, when your dog's self-care routine puts yours to shame, adding a funny caption makes the video unique and more interesting. We'll use a powerful AI tool called Capcut to edit the video. It's easy to use, even if you've never edited videos before. To start, click the link in the description to create a new account on Capcut. After logging in, click Create Project. Then import to select and upload the video. Drag the video to the timeline below. To add text, click Text. Paste the text in the text box and adjust the style, font, and size. Drag the text to the part of the video where you want it. To add animation, click Animation and choose one. To add sound effects, click Audio, search for a sound effect, and drag it to the timeline. When you're done, click Save and let Capcut render your video, then download it. Edit the second video. Now let's repurpose a cat video with Chinese text. First, translate the text to English. Take a screenshot of the video. Use an online tool like image-to-text.io. Upload the image and extract the text. Next, use ChatGPT to translate the text to English. To remove the original Chinese text and replace it with English, use Capcut. Open Capcut, create a project, and upload the video. Drag the video to the timeline, add sticky text by clicking text, pasting the text, and adjusting the style to cover the original Chinese text. To add animation, click Animation. Add background music by clicking Audio, searching for a suitable sound, and dragging it to the timeline. Once done, click Save and let Capcut render your video. Now your video is ready. Final step, create your YouTube Shorts channel and start uploading videos. Don't forget to include your affiliate links. First, create an affiliate account with Amazon or ClickBank. Choose pet-related products with good sales and reviews. Create affiliate links and put them in your bio or on your channel page. You can also add them in the comments of your videos and pin them. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can start earning thousands of dollars from your channel. Remember, consistency is key. Keep uploading regularly and engage with your audience. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep bringing you more money-making tips. See you in the next video.